Hello. So this is another spotlight video. Today we are having something interesting added to Yona. It is the interrupts. For those who don't know, interrupts are a way for CPUs to be smarter. For example, when you are using your keyboard or something like that, if I want to read whenever the user pressed the keyboard, I may need a loop. I will just keep on in the same loop and waiting. Did he press the button? No? Okay, continue the loop. Did he press the button? Ah, now he pressed the button. Okay, now we can go and do whatever we want with the button. But if we have interrupts, I will just set up like a handler and I will tell him, look, if you got a key pressed, stop whatever the CPU is doing now and tell me that I got a key pressed. Then I can see what I can do with it. This is just one example of interrupt, but now I think this is more than a spotlight video, so yeah, I will put it as a full video or so. So if we go and make the by the way, I'm really sorry if there is like noise in the background and stuff, so very sorry. So we have hello, yeah. If we went here and did something like okay, let's have an int I equal a 7 divided by 0, which is very bad, you know? This is very bad. Like, you shouldn't do such a thing. But we will see. We can just make it. Yeah, it successfully made. Can make and go for it and see what will happen to Yona. Okay, this is not good, huh? This is not good. Keep just being in the same loop because like it didn't catch that was an error and it continued playing, and that's not good. But if we went here, went to our yeah 5 and initialize the IDT. The IDT is the interrupt the interrupts descriptor table. I don't know why I couldn't say it. This table have entries. Like when you have an array, you have an array of like int array of 200 and you have 0 1 2 3 and stuff like that. This table is the same. He just have, instead of those numbers, functions. So for example, there is function 0, function 1, function 2. So if I got an interrupt of number 5, the CPU will go to this table and search for the function number 5 and call it. That's all what he does. And the function 5 will be like, so I got called, so yeah, the key got pressed. So I need to do this. This is how interrupts work. Like very basic, very cool to be honest. So if we want here to initialize it, like putting all the functions in their places, initializing the register where the CPU go and fetch those data, this will be another thing. So if we went like all what we've done now is initialize the descriptor table. Yes. So if we went here and recompile it again, we can see that we got an interrupt received, division by 0. And to demonstrate that this is not like it didn't just hard code it or something, we can just go here and remove this line. I still don't know how to use Vim, to be honest. We make it again and it's working, my friends. So as what you can see, we have interrupts now. They are working. but still, those are just the normal ones. Now, the next step is to add my own. With that, I mean handling the keyboard, which means that I need to remap another device. Do you see that video? And yeah, that's it. This is all what we have today. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again.